the pool here in Mini Suites Makati City. Okay. And there's also a mini playground here. Hello friends! So this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗢𝗓. We're currently here in Makati City. So we're trying this affordable place. It's called Mini Suites. So let's take a room tour. So this is our room here in Mini Suites Makati. Okay, so once you enter the room, on the left is a lavatory. The room also comes with a personal refrigerator. So it's there. It also comes with 2 complimentary bottled water. Here's the room. So this is, I guess, 15 to 18 square meters. So this is relatively small. However, this is very affordable. Just check out the link on the description box below for the rates. Okay, there's a service phone. There's an LCD TV with cable channels, I guess. Okay, there's a bed, and let's check out what's inside. Okay, so there's a safe deposit box. So if you have valuables, you can use the safe deposit box. Okay, so the room comes with, or the room has a mirror on the wall that creates an illusion that the room is spacious. Okay, well, let's go and check out the toilet and bath. So let's first check the shower area or the bath area. So toiletries are provided if you check in here in Mini Suites. So there's the shower area. So it comes with hot and cold shower and liquid soap and shampoo. Okay, so this is very clean. Okay, let's now check the toilet area. By the way, the toilet and shower area is separated by glass, so that's what we can see in here. Okay, so the toilet comes with an exhaust. It's very clean and it's quite spacious. Okay, again, the room comes with a mirror on its wall to make an illusion that the room is spacious. Let's now check out the view from our room. Okay, so the pillow is soft. I'm not sure if this is closed down, but it's very comfortable. Okay, so there's the view from our room here in Mini Suites Makati. Of course, the room is air conditioned. Okay, it's actually centralized. Okay, I'm giving you huge discounts if you book on my link in the description box below. So if you want to stay in Makati, Mini Suites is a perfect, affordable place to stay here in the city. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.